Phil here from Multi-Click TV. I'm here today to show you this Jaguar Xkr. So let's get on with it. So here we go. And how nice does it look? I'm going to take you in the inside and then we'll take you on the outside. But just have a look at this. And there's the beast. The V8 4 litre supercharged. And just how nice is this? I'll tell you an interesting fact as well. These superchargers are from a Ford F-150 truck. Would you believe? This has got, if I'm not mistaken, 20 service stamps with it, and I think they're all main dealer, or the great proportion of them are. It's a two-owner vehicle. What a great sounding, great performing car. Just a true classic. Done 92,000 miles. Front driver's seat needs recolourising, needs recolouring, as you can see. Going into the footwell, the Jaguar carpets, pedals. You've got one key with it. All the wood is super. Obviously all the toys on it with the cruise control and so on. There's your locking wheel nut. This is beautiful. Let's just look at this. It's got the Motorola flip phone with cam. Just look at that. And it still works. How amazing is that? Got your sports button there. Taking the back of the car. Leather's absolutely super all over. The door jambs. This is what comes with the car. You've got the toolkit, you've got the original Jaguar light, you've got the spare bulbs, obviously all the paperwork with the car. The main one is the total care, which I'll go through at a later date. You've got your CD changer there, you've got your triangle. There's the door, passenger side door, all the wood's great, all the door jambs. Obviously you've got electric seats, both sides. There's the wood. So there you have it. So we're taking a look at the outside of the car now, and how stunning is that? I wish they made cars look that good these days. Just take a look at that. That car's 23 years old. I mean, it is just beautiful. So the car is a category N. It had the front wing replaced. No structural, just a front wing replaced. And we have photographs with it as well. Just look at them louvers. Wow. It's got all the toys on it because it's in XKR. It's just past 12 months M.O.T. It's got the 18-inch wheels on it, Pirellis all the way around. Take the line of the car. 255 45 18s, P0s. Wheel arches. Just a stunning car, and I just love the colour. I really do. Quintessential Jaguar. About 370 brake horse. It's an absolute rocket ship. Two owners from new. Just look at that shape. Wow. We're going to take it for a drive, and also we're going to go through the documentation, so I'll see you in a second. Hi. So we're going to go through the service history now. So, Total Care, Jaguar. Got full of stamps here. It's got 12 services at H.A. Fox in Guildford. And then it went over to B. Jones, independent Jaguar specialist, for the rest. In total, 20 services. All the books there, stamped, as you can see. And there as well. Impeccable. Done 92,000 miles. It was last serviced at 91.3. You can't get any better than that. That is gold dust. I have all the associated paperworks and booklets. Everything comes with the car. Booklet as well. We even have the build sheet of the car from Jaguar. So that's always nice to have. Again, look at this. This is interesting. It's still got the original phone which I've shown in the video. It's the original flip phone. I think it's a Motorola, but it's still there. and it still works. That's got a value itself. So sound system, handbook, it's got everything with it. It's got all the paperwork that you need. It's great, that it just makes the car. So the car was first registered, I'm reading this, so the car was first registered on the 20th of the 4th 2000. Got a clean MOT with it, just been MOT'd on the 13th of the 7th, sorry, 14th of the 7th 23, so that's all there. Now again, I showed you in the video in the boot, but look at this. That is a torch with Jaguar written on it. We've still got all the bulbs, again, not opened. Toolkit, again, never been used. Just makes the difference with the car. The provenance of the car is what makes this car. Okay, it's the best colour, we know that. It's lovely inside. Yes, it does need some bits and pieces here. As I said, with the seat, driver's seat needs reconalising or colouring. But it's done 92,000 miles. It's got full service history. It's one previous owner from new. It's super. Yes, we know it's a category N. It's had the front wing replaced. We've got photographs. Insurance gone mad. What can we do? You're not going to throw such a beautiful vehicle away. So, just to recap, full service history, one previous owner from new. It's got one key, it's only got one key. It's got the remote control, but one key. You've seen it outside, you've seen it inside. We're going to take it for a drive now. So, see you in a second. Hi, so I'm driving the car now, and all I can say, what a pleasure. I just giggle because it's so smooth. The way it holds the road, the way it kicks down, the way it accelerates. It's a 23-year-old car. It's a flying machine, but it's also smooth. It's got that creamy V8. As I said, 370 brake horse. I mean, it just flies. And with the sports box and with the superchargers, here we go. Wow. The smile says it all. Where do you want to be? In this type of car, the value's going up in value. They're not stupid, they're not Porsche, they're not 30, 40, 50,000 quid. They're affordable. They look the best. I mean, it brakes straight, it accelerates straight. I mean, it just does everything that you want it to do. And you know what? The best thing is how my giggle then, because this is how these cars go. You take it out a weekend, you use it, or you want to use it in the week, use it in the week. But as long as you look after it, all it's doing is going up in value. And they're not crazy to buy. What's not to like? Anyway, you can hear the car going, it just purrs. And it roars when it wants to, like a proper Jaguar should. So there you go.